Okay, children, so I will take revision today of chapter number 20 and 21. Okay, so I hope you all have learned this. Yes, Irene, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Irene, now tell me, name the shop where you get everything under one roof. Name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Shopping mall. Shopping mall.
Yes. Now name the place where do you go when you go for the lunch and dinner.
Restaurant.
Okay, now can you see this picture? Irene, look here.
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait. Okay. Okay, so the number one, what picture is this? What is the recreation spot here?
Beach. Beach.
Beach. Yes, very good, Irene. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Pratyusha, unmute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Pratyusha, now tell me, can you see this? First, look at the page number 24. Look at the first picture. What is this place? What we call this place where all the cricketers are playing cricket? What we call this?
Playground. Playground.
No, yes, it is playground, but playground is that where children play. Okay, but here,
Field. Cricket field.
yes, stadium. What we call it? Stadium. We call it stadium where all the
Stadium.
sports are being played. Yes. Okay. Now, Pratyusha, tell me name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Supermarket.
Supermarket. Yes. Shopping mall also we can say supermarket also. Okay, very good. Pratyusha, now see here, look at the second picture. Can you name this one? What picture is this?
Park.
Park. Very good, Pratyusha. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Arvika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Arvika, now see the second picture here. What is this? Which place is this? Where we
Airport.
airport, yes. And name the place where you go for lunch and dinner.
Restaurant.
Yes. Now see this third picture. What you can see here? What place is this? In
Playground.
playground. Yes, very good, Arvika. Okay, mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Aishani, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aishani, now tell me. The third picture, can you see here? What is this? Name the place.
Railway station.
Railway station. Very good. Now name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Shopping mall.
Very good. Okay, now see here, the fourth picture you can see here, chapter number 21. What is this place?
Amusement park.
Yes, so what we call it? Fun fair. Okay, amusement park we can see.
Park.
Yes, but we can, we have named it fun fair. Okay, what we will call it? Fun fair. Okay,
Fair.
very good, Aishani. Amusement park and fun fair is almost same. Very good. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, Arshi, unmute yourself. Arshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Arshi, can you see here the fourth picture? What picture is this? Where all people go to watch the movies, everything. Where all the people go to watch the movies, drama, everything. What we call it? Okay. Arshi, now see here. Second picture you can see, Arshi. The plane you can see, aeroplane. What place is this?
Airport.
Yes. Now tell me, name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Shopping mall.
Shopping mall. Yes. Now see here, first picture, chapter number 21, Arshi. What is this?
Beach.
Beach. Very good. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Sampriti, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Sampriti, can you name this picture, fourth picture, where people go to watch the movies, drama, everything?
Theater.
Theater, yes. Now name the place where you go for lunch and dinner.
Restaurant.
Yes. Now name this third picture here, chapter number 21. What is this?
Playground.
Very good, Sampriti. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Ashna, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. How
Good
are you,
morning.
ma'am?
Fine, fine. Ashna, how are you? Okay, now Ashna, tell me. You can see the fifth picture here. What is this picture? Fifth picture? Bank. Yes. Now name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Shopping mall.
Yes. Now see this second picture. What is this?
Park.
Very good, Ashna. Okay, mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Ifra, unmute yourself, Ifra.
Yes, ma'am.
Ifra,
Yes, ma'am.
name this place. Number first picture. What picture is this? Where all the cricketers are playing?
Stadium.
Stadium. Yes.
Stadium.
Now name the shop where you get and everything under one roof.
Shopping mall.
Yes.
Shopping mall.
Now see this picture. What is this? Third picture. What picture is this?
Playground.
Playground. Very good.
Playground.
Very good.
Playground.
Okay, mute yourself, Ifra. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Rashi, unmute yourself. Ifra, try to sit in the place. Ifra, can you hear me, Ifra? Always try to sit in that place where there is no much noise. Okay, where there will be
Yes, ma'am.
so atmosphere should be very not so crowdy. Don't sit in the crowdy place or don't sit outside like where the noise will come. Okay, so you will get distracted by that and you will find difficulty to hear me. Okay, and I also find very difficulty by hearing you because so much noise is coming. I don't know where you are sitting. So sit in a room or either where there is no disturbance at all. Okay. Got it, Ifra? Can you hear me, Ifra? Yes. Yes, either your network, I think there is network problem, or maybe you are sitting in that place where there is a lot of disturbance. Because much noises is coming from your side. Okay, Ifra.
हेलो मैम यार बहुत नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है
Okay, 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 ma'am. Okay, okay.
मैम ये इफ्रा को बोले लिख के दिखाइए
Yes, yes, ma'am. But today I'm taking revision. Okay, next time. Next time I will. Okay,
ओके मैम
okay.
ओके मैम
Mute yourself. Yes, Rashi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Rashi, now tell me this third picture.
Yes,
What is the third picture here? You can see the train also. The train is standing.
Railway station.
Railway station. Yes, very good. Now name the place where you go for lunch and dinner.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Now see, name this place. The first picture you can see here, chapter number 21. What is the first picture here? Which?
Beach.
Beach. Yes, very good, Rashi. Mute yourself. Armin, unmute yourself, Armin.
Yes, ma'am.
Armin, now tell me what picture is this? Number 6. Name the place. Name the place here.
Repeat again.
Name the place number 6. Number 6 you can see here.
Shopping mall.
Shopping mall. Yes. Now name the place where you go for lunch or dinner. Where do you go for the lunch or dinner?
Yes.
Okay, Armin, can you see this picture? Wait, Sagni. Can you see this picture? What picture is this? Third picture. Third picture you can see here.
Where is the sun?
No, this one, this one. Chapter number 21. What picture is this? Beach is number 1. This one is playground. Okay, playground where children play. Okay, learn these chapters nicely, Armin. Okay, okay, Armin. Very good. Armin.
Number 3.
Number 3 is Armin.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 3 is number 3 picture. Fun places.
Playground.
Playground. Very good. Okay, mute yourself. Sagnik, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Learn all the chapters nicely. Okay, children. Okay, now Armin, can you see here the first picture? The cricketers are playing. What is that?
Yes, student. Stadium.
Stadium. Yes. In stadium, all the types of sports are being played. Okay. Now, tell me, name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Shopping mall.
Shopping mall. Now, see this fourth picture. What is this? Fun places. Name the place.
Fun fair.
Okay, Sagnik. Very good. Yes, Diptha, unmute yourself. Welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Diptha, now see this seventh picture. You can see what is this? Places you visit, seventh picture.
Circus.
Circus. Now name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Shopping mall.
Shopping mall, yes. Now see this second picture, fun places. What is this?
Park.
Park, yes. Very good. Mute yourself. Yes, Banab, Shivagni, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivagni, now name this sixth picture. What is the sixth picture here? Places you visit.
Shopping mall.
Shopping mall. Now name the place where you go for lunch or dinner.
Restaurant.
What is this first picture? Fun places.
Beach.
Very good, Shivagni. Okay, mute yourself. Bana Bhaiya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am fine. How are you? Bana Bhaiya, now tell me what is the eighth picture here? You can see the eighth picture. The man is holding petrol pump. Very good. Now name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Shopping mall.
Yes, very good, Bana Bhaiya. Now see this fourth picture. Fun places. What is this? Bana Bhaiya, tell me. What is this fourth picture? Fun fair. Very good. Children, look here very carefully. I can give you questions like dash. Okay, a dash is an area of sand or stones beside the sea. So what you will write? You will write the answer beach. Like this, I will make questions. Okay. Underline this one. Beach, underline beach, underline fun fair, underline park, and underline playground. All of you do this. Underline everyone. Underline these 4 words. Beach, fun fair, park, and playground. When I will give you fill in the blanks, I will write the whole sentence and I will give like a dash is an area of sand or stones beside the sea. So you will answer beach. Okay, like this. Suppose I will give you a dash is a piece of land at a school or in a public area where children can play. What you will answer? Playground. Okay, so underline these 4 words. Okay. Yes, Sanchayan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. How are you? Yes. Now, Sanchayan,
I'm fine.
Sanchayan, see the second picture. You can see the flight here. Aeroplane. What we call this place?
Airport.
Airport. Yes. Now, name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Shopping mall.
Okay. Now see this first picture. What is this? Fun places.
Stadium.
These first picture. Fun places. Chapter number 21.
Beach.
Beach. Yes, very good. Very good, Sanjay. Himadri, unmute yourself. Yes, Himadri. Now see what is this third picture. Himadri, I can't hear you. Your voice is not coming. What you are saying? Railway station, but your voice is not coming at all. Okay. So what is this, Himadri? This picture, number second, fun places. Park, yes, very good. Okay, Himadri. Himadri, check your device. Your voice is not coming at all. Okay, check your device. Very good. Yes, Rajdi, unmute yourself, Rajdi.
Good morning, ma'am. How
Good morning, Rajdi. I'm fine. How are you? Rajdi, now tell me, what is this 8th picture, Rajdi? 8th picture.
Petrol pump.
Okay, now name the place where you go for lunch or dinner.
Restaurant.
Now name this fun place, number 3.
Playground.
Very good, Rajdi. Okay, mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay. What happened, Pratyusha? I asked you, no? Pratyusha? What happened?
Nothing.
Okay, okay.
What?
Okay, okay, Pratyusha, mute yourself. Argha, unmute yourself, Argha.
Yes, ma'am.
Argha, now see here, what is this first picture? Places you visit?
Stadium, airport, railway station.
Only one, Argha, only one. Now see, Argha, name the place where you go for lunch or dinner.
Restaurant.
Restaurant, yes. Now name this place. What is this place? Fun place, number 1.
Beach.
Very good, Argha. Mute yourself. Zubaidul, unmute yourself. Zubaidul, now name this place. Number 5. What place is this? Where we go to deposit the money and name the place. Zubaidul?
Bank.
Bank, yes. Now name the place where you get everything under one roof. Name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Shopping mall.
Shopping mall, yes. Now name this place, 4 number. Fun places. See the fun place here.
Fun fair.
Fun fair. Very good, Zubaidul. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Mandeep, unmute yourself. Learn all the names of the places very nicely. Okay, children? The fun places, the places you visit. Mandeep, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Mandeep, now name the third picture. Mandeep, third picture. The train is standing over there. What is the third picture here? Name the place. Name the place of the third picture. Railway station. Yes. Now see, name the place where you go for lunch or dinner.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Very good, Mandeep. Now see, name this place. Number second one. Fun places.
Airport. Airport.
Number second. Fun places. See the fun places.
Ground.
This one. Park. Okay, Mandeep. Very good.
Park.
Okay, very good. Mosina, unmute yourself. Mosina, what is the first picture here? The pictures are playing.
Stadium.
Stadium. What we call it? Stadium.
Stadium.
Stadium. Stadium. Now tell me, name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Shopping mall.
Very good, Mohsina. Now name this place. First number, fun places.
Beach.
Beach. Very good. Mute yourself. Akmal, unmute yourself, Akmal.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Akmal. What is the second picture?
Airport.
Now, tell me, name the place where you go for lunch or dinner.
Student.
Restaurant. Restaurant. Okay. Now, name this place. Number 3, fun places. Name this place.
Playground.
Very good. Mute yourself. Soumyadeep, unmute yourself. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Soumyadeep, now see here. What is this? Number 7 picture.
Circus.
Circus. Okay. Now name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Shopping mall.
Yes. Now see here. What is the second picture? Fun places.
Playground.
Very good, Soumyadeep. Very good. Afreen, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Afreen, now see. Can you see here? What is this picture? Name the place. Number 5. What place is this? Bang. Now name the place where you go for lunch or dinner.
Restaurant.
Now see this place. What is this? What is fun? What fun place is this? Where you ride so many.
Park.
This one. Number 4.
Beach.
Number 4. Where you get lot of amusement. Yes, fun pair. Very good. Okay. Mute yourself. Welcome. Yes, Aryan Hussain, unmute yourself, Aryan. Aryan? Okay, Shishti, unmute yourself, Shishti. Shishti, unmute yourself. Shishti, name this 8 picture. What is this? The man is holding a pump on his hand. What we call it? Which place is this? Yes, petrol pump. Now, Shishti, tell me, name the picture where you name the place where you go for lunch or dinner. Now, yes. Now see, name this one number picture. Fun places. What fun place is this?
Beach.
Very good, Shishti. Okay, mute yourself. Yes. Tirasa, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tirasa, now see this third picture. What is this? Which place is this?
Railway station.
Yes. Now see, name the shop where you get everything under one roof. Name the shop where you get everything under one roof. Name the shop where you get everything under one roof. See this one. Name the shop where you get everything under one roof. What we call it? Which place is this? Okay, Tirasa, now tell me. Tirasa, what place is this? Name the fun place here. Number 1. This one.
Beach.
Beach. Yes. Very good. Okay, mute yourself. Ayush, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush, now name the place where you go for lunch or dinner.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Yes. Now, what is this picture? Number 4. Places you visit. Which picture is this? What place is this?
Fun fair. Fun fair.
Oh, this one. Places you visit where you go to watch the movies, dramas, everything. Name the place.
Theater.
Theater. Yes. Now see this second place. Fun place is this. What is this? We go to enjoy our evening.
Beach.
Second one.
Beach.
Second picture.
Park.
Very good, Ayush. Okay, mute yourself. Very good. Yes, Bana Bhaiya, what happened? Again, you raised your hand.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Mehrab, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mehrab, now tell me what place is this where the cricketers are playing, where the sports are being
History,
held?
ma'am.
Stadium. Yes. Now name the shop where you get everything under one roof.
Shopping.
Shopping mall. Now name this one. What picture is this? Which fun place is this? Number 1.
Beach.
Very good. Mute yourself. Yes. Sampriti, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I got the
Okay, children. So learn chapter number 22 and 23 for tomorrow's revision. Okay. Very well. You have answered very well. Very nice. Okay, just wait.